Hello guys, so today I will explain how comics have changed from a traditional print into a digital and how this change affect the way readers interpret their stories. Let me introduce myself. My name is Afinu Gerdiansa. You can call me Vino. I'm from IC Class 8. My student number is 250-222-624-81 and 0. Anyway, let's move on. So, comics have been a form of storytelling for over a century. Today, comics not only exist as a printed book but also as digital platform, interactive apps, and multimedia hybrids. This presentation will discuss how multimedia change narrative structure, visual design, and reader engagement. Several theories that help explain this change. Kress and Van Lowen argue that modern reading involves multiple modes like text, image, sound, and hero space, while Scott McCloud explained how print comics rely on panel transition and readers' imagination. Recent studies show that digital comics use scrolling, animation, and interactive elements to create a new storytelling patterns. The main idea, digital comics are not simple digital version of print. They are different reading experience. The first one is narrative structure. In print comic, panels are arranged on fixed layout. Readers fills the gaps between panels using imagination. In digital comics, vertical scrolling like webtoons create a new pacing and suspense. Transition feels more cinematic. Interactive comics add animation or time reveals, reducing the interpretive gap. This change transforms how readers feel about time, movement, and emotion in a story. The second one is visual design. Digital comics can include like animation such as blinking, movement, sound effects or background music, and interactive colors. This sensory element guide emotional interpretation more directly than static print panel. Some creators use infinite canvas, allowing layouts that cannot exist in print, so reader can move into story exploratory. The last one is reader engagement. Digital platform increase accessibility by offering zooming tools, text-to-speech, adjustable layouts. Readers can also comment, share reaction, and interact with creators. This turns reading into social and participatory experience, not just an individual one. In conclusion, multimedia significantly transform how comics are read and interpreted. Now, narrative structures, visual elements, and interactive features create immersive and dynamic reading experience. Digital comics do not replace print. Instead, they reinterpret storytelling in new ways that evolve alongside technology and reader behavior.
Halo.
And I think that's all for my presentation today. Thank you for watching, guys.